Hello and welcome to this quick table extraction demonstration for pdf2Data. As you can see, I've loaded into the pdf2Data editor a very common invoice format where you have information about the invoice, typically line items as a table. Then if you scroll to page 2, you'll see repeated information about the invoice and then continuing on with the table. So let's show you how to extract that table without the repeated information. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new data field, and I'm going to place it anywhere on my table of interest. We will add a selector here. We will call it a table. And I'm going to choose to tell it what the headers are in this case. So as you can see, these are the headers for this particular invoice table. pdf2Data recognized it, and we'll go ahead and create the output. Now notice here, if you look at the output, we have 14 rows and 7 columns. And our 14 rows are comprised of what you see in pink here. But it also includes the information on page 2 that we don't want necessarily. What I really want is the columnar headings, the line items from page 1, followed by the columnar headings and the line items from page 2. So all we have to do is switch this table algorithm from auto to cluster. So when detecting tables, pdf2Data will intelligently select one of 3 different algorithms that are designed to extract the most data possible. However, in this case, we don't need all the data, maybe a subtable. So in this case, we're explicitly telling pdf2Data what headers we want, and it then chooses the data that is clustered in and around those headers. Now you can see the output is table 1 is our page 1 data with descriptions in the headers, followed by table 2, including the net amount, tax, and total. Let's go ahead and save and exit this. And as you know, we can test right from within the editing environment. We simulate production here. We're going to apply the same invoice reference to this. We've now extracted 7 rows and 6 rows. If I download the results, let's say we'll pick JSON here. And then we'll open up this invoice JSON. I'm using Visual Studio Code to view it. So here's the output from that. Our headings, table 1's data, scrolling down through. Eventually we'll get to the headings of page 2, which you see here, and then its 3 rows. And in addition, you also see the tax amount as well as the total amount. And there you go. That's our invoice demonstration for pretty much complex table extraction. Thanks a lot.